Hey guys, Jimmy Chicky here from Keller Williams Realty Southwest. We're based in Las Vegas, and I just wanted to spend a minute talking about how we can forward our domains. Keller Williams now, every agent has a new website, and a lot of times what we want to do is forward the domain of our old website to the new one. So the first thing we have to do is we have to go to wherever we purchased our website domain. In my case, it's GoDaddy, okay? So I purchased the domain from GoDaddy. I'm going to take that domain and I'm going to forward it to the new Keller Williams website. If you did not purchase your old domain, then you can't forward it because you don't have control of it. So you must have control of it, okay? Now, each domain provider is going to be a little bit different. On GoDaddy, we just go over our name, and I'm going to go to Manage Domains. So the thing we're looking for is we're looking for forwarding, all right? So I want to forward my jimmychicky.com to my new Keller Williams my new Keller Williams website address, all right? And each provider is going to be a little different on how you do it. So the names we're looking for is, domain settings, something like that. Okay, so I'm going to click on mine. It'll take a second. Now, I've actually already done this, but I'm just showing you the process. So then on GoDaddy, we hit Manage Connection. And it's actually pretty simple, okay? Because what they do is they show the domains you've purchased, and then you simply just select the domain and hit forward. All right, we're going to forward our domain. It's pretty simple. As I said, I've already done this, but I'm just going to go through the steps again. My Keller Williams website address is homesearch.kw.com. Remember, you can choose anything. You don't have to choose your name. So I'm just going to paste that in here. Now you will notice that on GoDaddy, they already have the HTTPS there. So I'm just going to put my cursor right at the beginning, erase that. There's two types, permanent and temporary. Permanent is just like it says, it's going to be permanent. If you're doing something temporary and you're going to change it again, then just click on temporary. In my case, permanent's the best, and then I'm going to click Save. I am done. Sometimes it takes up, depending on your domain provider, it could take hours, it could take a day, all right? So if it doesn't work right away, don't worry. Give it a little bit of time and then check it later. And I hope you found this video. I've got other videos on my YouTube channel on Keller Williams and technology, so I hope you find it helpful. Thank you.